50. How much?
One piece.
One piece. How much?
Yes.
55.
Yes.
Money.
30.
Money. 15. What about this one? Money.
Many.
19. 31. Divide by 6. For money.
Yeah.
All 40?
Wholesale.
No, all same price? 40?
Same price.
Same price. Hello? How much?
It's 100.
Money. 48.
Yeah.
50. Price.
Yeah.
How much?
50.
50.
Yes.
You sell one? No. Sell one?
One.
Money or one?
One.
One, okay. Thank you. This one is 250. $60. All 40.
Hi, boss.
How much?
One piece.
One piece. How much?
Yes.
55.
Yes.
Money.
30.
30.
30.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 30. Do you have a business card?
Color. Huh?
Business name? If you buy a lot, 35, 30.
Your size.
So money, 30. 1, 2, 3.
How many pieces you want?
Money, 100?
100 piece.
100 piece.
Okay.
How much?
Yeah, 30.
30.
Yeah.
Okay. What size they come?
1XL to 6L.
Oh, up to 6XL.
This one cheap. This one 20.
Oh, this one is 20.
This one 20.
Yeah, this one is good quality.
Yeah. 100% different.
Yeah, quality is good.
This one very good aim.
Okay, thank you. I got the cards.
Yeah.
Thank you. If you buy, yeah, it's a lot. The other one wasn't like good quality. Still was alright, was 20. The high quality 130 yen. Yeah, the price, this one is 50, but buy a lot. This is cheaper. 100% pure cotton. Hello, how much? This one other seller sell it for 20. I asked him how much. This one. Stretch too. How much?
How much? One piece.
Money. 15. What about this one? Money.
Many.
19. Do you have a business card? Thank you. How much is this one?
How much? No cent. Money no cent.
Okay.
This
Oh, 9.
no
Okay.
cent.
Can I get a card, please?
Giá chuyển chỉ chọn tất cả là được.
Hello. Hello. How much? Money. So they want divide by 6. $3 for money.
Yeah.
Do you have a business card? Business name? WeChat, WhatsApp?
WeChat, okay.
Yeah.
WhatsApp no. WeChat, okay.
Oh,
Can I
WeChat.
WeChat, okay.
Hello. How much? Money.
It's 40.
40. All 40?
40.
No, all same price, 40?
Same price.
Same price.
Yeah.
Thank you. 40. IT. Most of the seller they accept law MOQ, like 10 pieces, 20 pieces, which is good. But if you buy one, the price is almost like double. I think if you buy one, is the price of 120. If you buy like money, 69. Check this one, how much? Say the 100, maybe for one. Hello, how much?
It's 100 now.
Money. 48.
Yeah.
All 48?
No, this one do not have store.
Okay. You have a business card? Thank you. The 48. For money.
Yeah, this no many.
Okay. Okay, thank you. WeChat.
Yeah.
How many color come?
5 color.
5 color.
Yeah.
Size?
L.
M?
No M. The small size L. L and 4XL.
4XL.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, I added you. Thank you. Hello. How much? This one? Money. 88 for money.
Yeah, many.
What size?
Size? Small, bigger.
Oh, small and bigger. What's the big sizes? XL or 38? You don't have a like 40, 42 size?
No 40 bigger. I have stock.
Okay, this one. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Can I get a business card, please? WeChat?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.